What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Doge update. In this video, we'll do a full technical analysis on Dogecoin. Obviously, we'll also incorporate the fundamentals where needed, but it's mostly a technical analysis. There's quite a lot we need to talk about, and there's quite a lot to be talked about just in general. So let's get right into it, because it's not looking great for Doge. I mean, most of you know. Volume for Dogecoin is still dropping. It's dropped down by 44%, while most cryptos volume is actually picking back up again, or is at least the same as what it was yesterday. And apart from that, most cryptos also had some sort of a bullish move yesterday. Dogecoin had it as well, but it was preceded by a big bearish move. So it's overall not going too well with Dogecoin. You can also see that we're down against the market. And then if you then take a look at the technicals, I mean, we already said this yesterday, but it has been confirmed. There's just, ever since we hit this resistance level around 7.9, there's just been a lot of bearish momentum in the price. And what you can clearly see, I mean, I drew this new trend line up here, which, I mean, we do not really follow it, but you can clearly see that there's bearish momentum. And especially if you look at these waves, these EMAs in different periods, we are actually respecting those. And this is on the 1 hour time frame, so it's not even the strongest trend line. But then if you or strongest time frame, but then if you zoom out to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that we're respecting the 28 EMA, which is usually, if you respect if the price respects that, that's quite a tough bearish confirmation. So just in general, right now Dogecoin is very bearish, and then if you take a look at the fundamentals. Obviously, the most bullish fundamentals for Dogecoin is two things. It's Elon Musk and it's Twitter. And since we haven't really heard about either of them in relation to Dogecoin for some time, and obviously you cannot hear from Twitter, but what we would like is some updates from Twitter regarding crypto and the implementation of that. And we haven't heard that. So what happens is that, sure, sometimes we are still bullish because of some news. And that's also the main reason why we had these two bullish waves. But if nothing is happening, that's bearish, because hype actually dives down. So the fundamentals are pretty much in line with the technicals right now. And therefore, what I expect, I mean, you can see that you could argue that there's some sort of a bullish momentum coming up here. But I think the bearish momentum is way stronger. And I think it's just a matter of time before we also drop back down towards 7.3. Cents, which is where we dropped down to Sunday, but I think we'll drop down there again, and this time I don't think we'll get this much recovery, and I think we'll basically continue falling. I mean, 7.3 is going to hold as a support, but I think we'll also fall back down towards 7.1 as long as there are no bullish fundamentals, and it will not go as quickly as this. I do want to stress that I don't think we'll have a crash or something, unless the market crashes, but I cannot predict that. But I do think we will continue the downtrend. As long as there is no bullish fundamentals regarding Dogecoin. And what could also happen is that, for example, the market gets a little bit more bullish. So Bitcoin breaks above 17,000. In that case, Dogecoin can become a little bit more bullish as well, but we're not going to get into an uptrend, because in the end, the real fundamentals that's keeping Dogecoin up, they are still bearish. So the big thing really is not the market, but more the fundamentals behind Dogecoin. So with that, I always mean Elon Musk and Twitter. And until that time, we're going to fall. And then 7.17 cents is the first really strong technical support level again. So from there, I think we could even go up without bullish fundamentals. But until that time, I think we're going to be bearish. So that's my take on Dogecoin. I'll be back with another update very soon. So keep an eye out for that. But for now, take care. Enjoy your Tuesday, it is, I believe, and bye.